Stick it down, put it back, never saw it.
Too precious to wear!
All right. Now the study doors open.
No, they're not in Spain. Just a bit squashed.
Just waiting for us to come back.
It's rather funny though, finding the telephone in the garden.
So it is. I'll put it back.
Put it on the table.
Oh dear. Dear.
In the pigeon house?
In the little pigeon house down here.
Who comes in and tells us what to do?
What to do?
What
to do? You're some kind of sex maniac. I'm gonna come straight down this.
Black sheep.
That happens to be the linen closet.
One cargo tax. Oh my God.
Who are you?
Oh, me? Oh, just doing the tax, Governor.
Tax! Not the income tax!
That's right, Governor. In come the new taps, out go the old taps.
Tax inspectors everywhere! Here you are. The other one.